Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to wrap text with tags in HTML. So, first of all guys, let's say that you have a code in HTML in Visual Studio. So let's try to get some code. So random HTML text code. So we can just get it from here and we can just do it from here. For example, we can just get this. So here we go. And let me just grab something simpler than that. So HTML text code. So HTML text code, here we go. And let me copy it from here. So for example, this is the text that we are going to use. So we paste it here. And basically the problem that we are facing in our situation is this text is actually going out of our screen. Well, there's actually multiple ways in order to fix this. One of them is by simply clicking on this, go to settings and settings from here and search for text wrap. And let me just find text, and here I will just search for the wrap option. So let me just go down. Oh, let me just change this to wrap. So here we go. So here it is. So word wrap, turn it on, and the text will be immediately going back to the next line. So this is the first thing to do. Now, the second thing that I highly suggest you to do, which is download an extension in the marketplace which called HTML tag wrap, which is this one. So basically, you just have to click in here, extensions, and then go HTML tag wrap. It must be like next to each other. Don't like make any space, and then click on installing. And basically, what it's gonna do is it will add this specific thing that you want to add to the text immediately. So when you will create another code with the extension on, you will have the text going back to the next line. For example, something around this, and so go on, guys. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.